All right, check it. Here we are. Beautiful track field in Tampa. We just found out we had a Hurricane 4 hurricane that came close last week, and now we got a potential 3 coming our way. We got the Avanti. Let's see. Tony had a little bit of a hard landing. He actually was short on the runway because this is a new field. First time flying this field, so you got to get used to knowing where the runway is. And he tried to put foam tack on there, but that takes a while to dry. And he took off, and the wheel fell off. But now we hot glued it. The problem is we hot glued it onto the wet foam tack, so I don't know if this wheel's gonna hold. You are clear for takeoff.
Flaps up, half flaps.
Yeah, this freaking steering servo, bro.
Oh, that's right. He's got a jacked up steering servo.
I got a really huge engine.
See, that he took off like nobody's business.
Good, this thing sounds.
I used to have one of those too. This morning I had one of those. When I left the house, I had one of those. See, that sun. Yeah. That sun is awful. Right there, it's what?
Yeah.
Right there.
You just have to keep banking it. Just know that you're banking.
That's what I was trying to do, and it's just
right there's completely solid.
Right there. Yeah, that's where I lost it. That's where I lost it. So, note to self: kidney pattern.
Yep.
Kidney pattern keeps you.
And it's gonna get worse because that sun's gonna keep dipping.
Try a kidney pattern, Tony. Especially the other direction. Yeah, the kidney pattern works, bro. The kidney pattern really does work.
This is predictable. You know what the plane's doing. Fast pass. Dude, this is a 6,000 milliamp battery. What are you talking about?
Is that the first time you fly it?
No.
You flew it before? When the hell did you fly it before?
I flew it before I went to Greece.
You had it before you went to Greece?
Of course.
How was the food, by the way?
Oh, delicious.
Yeah, good stuff. If I had to say, Tony, what was your favorite thing? The first thing that comes to mind is going to be your favorite thing. So go ahead. What was your favorite thing that you ate while you were in Greece?
I really like the pastizio.
Is that like almost like a lasagna, but with like tubi?
And the moussaka. That's the moussaka. I had the moussaka. I had the pastizio. I had the spaghetti carbonara. That was the best.
Oh, dude, I always want to try that. Oh no, never mind. The spaghetti assassino is what I want to try. Carbonara, I've made at my house. Dude, all that is like cheese and eggs.
Yeah, and bacon.
Yeah, it's not bacon. It's guanciale. It's bacon, but instead of from the fork belly, it's from the jowl. Guanciale. Yeah, that stuff is good. There's a little bit of a knife edge. I think you better bring it in, buddy.
Landing gear down, half flaps. Full flaps.
Yeah, I think you're short. There we go. Reverse thrust. Nice. That reverse thrust worked.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were a little short.
Yeah.
All right, bring it in, buddy.
I know, it's funny. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, you were a little short.
I have to get used to it.
All right. The hot glue sees that worked.
Yeah.
Well, now once the oh, you're off the ground. Go pick it up. I wouldn't trust it, Tony. All right, we're out, snitches.